right? Even though there's certain foods that even though they're a protein, especially fast food, even though they're a protein, it doesn't mean that they're good for our bodies, because a lot of food has a lot of fast food has a lot of sodium in it. So even though it's high protein, which is good, but there's still a lot of salt in it. And the reason we don't lose any weight is because our bodies retains that extra salt. So I don't know if you're wearing any rings, or if you see, like when I wake up in the morning, Monday morning, I'm fluffy. My face is swollen. My eyes are puffy. My hands are puffy. I can't get my rings off. That's all sodium from having food that has a lot of sodium. So it's not good to constantly add that sodium to your body every single day, because then you're not feeding yourself. Am I doing this wrong? You're not feeding yourself nutritious food. Good. So yeah. So you don't want to keep eating food that has high sodium, and if you're not cooking your food yourself, then the food is high sodium. And if you're not following the meal plan and you're not really trying to focus on actually losing weight, not that you're not trying to focus, but the way to lose weight in terms of focus when you sign up for my program is you have to start following the meal plan. You have to make some changes. Listen, you're not new here, meaning like you're not new here as in the world. I was talking to Gladys earlier. I don't know who I was talking to. Was Gladys? I was talking to somebody earlier. Probably you, Gladys. The grocery stores have not changed. The restaurants have not changed. The gyms have not changed. YouTube workouts have not changed. Everything has been available for you for as long as YouTube has been around. The gyms have been around for way before we were even all born, right? So I don't need to tell you that you need to exercise and eat healthy, okay? We all know that. But you're never gonna get fit, and you're never gonna get healthy, and you're never gonna succeed in what you say you want to succeed until you change your mind, okay? You have to change your mind. And if you're not willing to change your mind, then just work out for the benefits of health. Just work out. And just follow a tiny amount of the meal plan as possible to get some healthy food into your body, right? But it is not my fault that the FDA people, the food industry has made these amazing Doritos and donuts and Cheetos and pizza and pasta and Wendy's and Subway and Domino's and all this food. It is not my fault that they came into play and made all of us taste this amazing food, and now we're mentally stuck in wanting to have this good food. And so if you're not willing to fight your mind and not go to some place where the food is amazing and go into your kitchen and force yourself to make the broccoli and the chicken and the brown rice, because that's what is healthy, because that is just the science of our body, then there's so much only I can do. I can yell at you, I can be loud, I can remind you, but at the end of the day, it is your mouth, it is your body, it is your head, it is your mind, it is your feet, your hands, your heart, your eyes. I can't see you. You are who you are. Can't teach a dog all tricks, right? You actually can. But there's also science is that a human behavior is developed by the age of 12. And so my mom made who I am by the age of 12, and I was miserable and fought with her whole life, and I was overweight most of my life, and now I force myself to undo what my mom did. And this is why there's so many self-help books, so many affirmation podcasts, so many how-to videos, so many books on self-love, self-heal, self-diet, self-whatever. Because from our past however many centuries, our moms, grandmas, okay? How many decades of moms that you have in your family have all ruined the child, the next child, and the next child, and the next child, and now we are doing it too. So I'm finally realizing what my mom did, and now I realize that sometimes I do that to my kids, and I have to remind myself that it's okay if he doesn't know how to read like Johnny in his class. And it's okay if he, whatever. So this is what I'm doing for myself, and this is what I want to inspire you to do. If everything I always talk about on the internet is only if you want to do it too. I can't actually make you do it. You know what I'm saying? That's my little speech for you for today. Let's kick some ass.